Hans the Ramenator coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Golden Bay Supply down in San Francisco. Go Giants. This is the one, they're distributors, so they get stuff in from Thailand and then they find places that want to sell it. That's what they do. And this is chicken green curry flavor iMee instant noodle from Thailand. So I thought that sounded good. And yeah. So we do, there's the sachet. Included folding plastic fork. And the cup. And filling water to the line right there. And what I like about these cups is the lids just fit back on very securely, which is handy. But yeah, and now we wait 3 minutes. And while we do so, let's see what's going on. Since this is Thursday, since last Friday, I got on the scale last Friday and I was just like, so I decided that it was time to go on the wagon as far as food goes and do more exercise. Although my legs started screwing up this week, so I've been kind of a little back on that, but been really strict on the diet thing. I went from, what was it, 227.8 to 18.2. Magic. Magic. No, I don't need to check my scale. I got stuff going on. You don't want to know what I'm doing. It's nothing illegal. Anyway. So, this number that I'm about to do out of the, our hymnal, the, quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles, Mo Figuando speaks, it's going to be out of order because this is coming out a day after the one that I'm doing next. So you could be like, wait, he did this one, now he's going backwards. What? But don't worry about it. Number 108. There is no way we can put a value on such a product. Such a product was no value. So, it's in quotes. So if somebody's saying, there is no way we can put a value on such a product. Well, if you're saying that, then such a product has no value. Gotcha. If it's worth something, then you're going to figure out how much money you can get off of it. I guess that's the deal. That works. Money's good. Money is good. Especially this time of year. December 10th over here right now, ladies and gentlemen. Over there, it's all done. Christmas is over. I like that. Mimi's birthday's coming up in a week. No, Christmas is still coming. Don't worry. Panic. Panic by the children. Panic. I'm talking to our temporally challenged. We're the temporarily challenged ones. We have a temporal displacement of about 34 days currently, I think. Anyways, yeah. So I tried the what do you call it? The red curry iMee cup the other day, and it was freaking good. And this is the green curry, and although it's chicken, I'm sorry. I gotta go with shrimp with this one. It's just how I roll. I don't always listen. I'm told that all my life. Why don't you just listen? I don't know. Something wrong with me, I suppose. Something wrong with me. There's a lot of seasoning in this side. A lot. Okay, so we're just gonna go... I'm just gonna go straight across. Whoa. These kind of sachets, I've never liked them. Just make 2 of them. It's a real pain. You guys are freaking out about it. You like the decorations? The holiday decorations? Well, I'm glad. That makes me happy. It's fun to be happy. This makes me happy. This smells really good. I am like I don't know. They're getting weirder and weirder by the day, folks. They just keep making weird noises. They're scaring me. Those children. iMee green curry. In a cup. I wonder if they have a pack version of this. So do I, but she's at work. That. They're really coming up strong on these cups. I mean, look at this green curry. That's lovely. Okay. Just like the red curry. This is a score. This should be everywhere. Wonderful! Wonderful! That's like one of my favorite lines that C-3PO says. He's like, wonderful, wonderful! So, in this one I am putting shrimp. Just because I want to. I like shrimp and green curry. I do. I've got some Thai basil, which I'm going to put a ton of in here. Because Hey, I think you guys can tone it down a little bit. It is going to be lunchtime, and lunchtime is an enjoyable thing for children, should they be allowed to partake. You guys want to have lunch today? Didn't you say you wanted to have a picnic? Okay, well, you got to calm down and be a little bit quieter while Papa finishes this up, and then we can have some lunch, okay? That sound good? Huh? That sound nice? Good. There's some little sliced tomato. Honestly, yeah, I would rather be using the other stuff. I really like this stuff. Very basil-y. Basil-y. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. It's so distracting having small children just like yammering and hollering about this and that and the other thing. Right, it's their job. I do realize that. But shortly, they are going to have the job of eating lunch. Which I approve of them doing. I honestly do. I like that they eat lunch. Miles does a better job of it than Mimi. I think it's funny. You have to plead with them to eat. When they say you can lead a kid to food, but you can't make them eat. No truer words have been said. Another shrimp. Those two. I got all this. I got Thai basil the other day, and my wife thought that I still needed it, so she got me some. So basically, it's Thai basil free for all. I don't want it to go bad, and I really like it, so I'm gonna use it. Even if I'm not gonna eat it, you're gonna see it. So there. And I've got some. Make way, make way. Oh boy, that's a lot of that. I really need to re-up on my pepper. My crushed red pepper. But I'm being all strict on the diet. And this crushed red pepper, it's from Papa Murphy's. It's from the Take and Bake pizza joint. So I'll have to source it elsewhere. I don't think it's that hard to find. But you know what might look good in this is some, if I can find where I put it. There it is. A little bit of black sesame seed. Honestly, I'm just gonna tamp things down. Oh, that's right. There was one more thing I was gonna put in this, and I don't know if it's like sacrilege to do so, but I really just wanted to put this last of the 4 eggs. My wife, the patron saint of wonderful looking eggs, made the other day. Do one there. Look at that. Just sensational. Scintillating eggs. Yeah, I don't want to obstruct you guys though. There, look, this shrimp is hugging that shrimp. That's so sweet. It's so sweet. Alright. I guess it's time to do some boogie. Why don't we do it this way? I keep doing it that way. Why don't we do it? I really need to like get a light that I can put on the end of this camera. That'd be kind of nice. Let's see. That's where I'm going. Groovy. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is the one that you saw yesterday. So this is it for me for this Thursday. Yeah, I think I've done, let's get the 12th reviewed this week. That's good. That's really good. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks again to Golden Bait Supply, I should say that every time, for shooting this stuff over. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.